Deputy Chief Minister Kajela ba Prestun Tensong Hakakhatlai terik rempang ulaban biang ba ka jingkhang kapli ya ka HNLC banwan sya kamit ya keren yasuk ula ong ba Chief Minister Conrad ke Sangmaru ula keren ya kani bat ula kentu ya ka HNLC ban beteng biang ya ka jia keren yasuk bat perkhat rang ba bat perkhat ya ka pateng banwan.
Honorable Chief Minister, I think the other day after the cabinet, he already said, even me also, I've already requested again, resume for talk. The door is open. Still the door is open. Think it again. Please be measured. Think about the future. So, therefore, my, again, stand is very clear. We keep inviting them for talk once again. Lagi social media. Kamdon kum kata. Tengah supek ya katuka kiketin ke begitu ngatai kalong ngatat kalong nok kalong kum ka kam drama. Nrei bi habang ngakren seriously hakaba ngamla ban kren mangamarwei claim ka authority len ka bor ba ai ka Ministry of Home Affairs. Namar kamla ru ban lombangan invite mga nag state government lada ka Home Affairs lada ka Government of India kam agree kata. They on that basis balai bak Government of India kadang open dia ka jingkang bangin dia keren. Dengan ka daw nga dang keren biang ngidang invite on behalf of the state government. Bas ngau ba what this continue ya kan ka talk. Tongin betengi kan ka talk. But habab kum bang repeat kum ngala percaya ka to kalas. Ngaya percaya biang lada piting namar bakad kadaw ba ka baki kiong ba kisne kisino most leader lane u chairman lane u commander in chief kimnut banwan hana bayo sakit te yakataru nila ay ka assurance bangin ay ka safe passage but lada pikwa pa ban keren hakano no ka chaka ka pimkwa la se hame kalaro yakataru ngilong open bakin propose bangki ka jaka tambah habang ong kumta mendai kin bakin tok kumngi ke social media bangi invite you ba prostun banwan keren kata kalong komopi ka kam dei ka kam official mereka kam official hi kalong mendai ba prostun win bai dei ka government of India but ka state government ka ba invite na ka menta ka tok but ki HNLC